very excited because I'm gonna do a review, first impression, and also a little bit tutorial using this Game of Thrones eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. So I just got this yesterday from Sephora and I was surprised because this was kind of bulky and then a little bit heavy. So it feels so luxury and looks so amazing. So if you guys are the fan of Game of Thrones and wants to know what is inside this box, just keep on watching. Alright, let's open this box. Wow. Okay. Oh, so there is a map of Westeros here. Can you see it? So cool. Okay. So this is the palette. Let's open it. Okay, there is a big mirror here. And a quote from Daenerys Targaryen. Wow. And we can pull this out. It's Iron Throne. Oh my god. And a quote from Tyrion Lannister. Never forget what you are, the rest of the world will not. Wear it like armor and it can never be used to hurt you. So amazing. And let's pull this out. Okay, so this is the palette. Oh, we can separate this palette from the package. So there are 20 of colors here and it's divided into 4 sections. And the first one is House of Targaryen, and the second one is House of Lannister, and the third one is the House of Stark, and the last one is the North. Yes. And then let's just watch it. So there are only 4 colors of matte, and the first area is the North. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is more like a cool tone color, and I like this one. This color is like a champagne color called Heart Home. So nice. And then this one is like a bluish silver glitter color. And then the second area is the House of Stark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's more like a warm tone color, and I like this one. This is a Winterfell shade, and it's like a bronze shimmery color, and this one is a matte color called Nymeria, and this one is a purple color, and this one is a glittery green color. Okay, so next to the third area is House of Lannister. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's more like cool tone color, and this one is like a gold shimmery color called King's Landing. So pretty. And this one will be so nice if you use it as a transition color. This one called House Lannister. Okay, so the last one is House of Targaryen colors. All the colors are shimmery colors, and the first one is a dark purple shimmery color called Stormborn, and the second one is House of Targaryen shade. It's more like a dark gold shade, and then the third one is Dothraki shade, like a yellow shimmery color, and then the fourth one called Bandony, light purple color, and the last one is Bay of Dragons, pink shimmery color. I feel like this color a little bit patchy when I swatch it with my finger. Okay, next let's try this on my face. I'm gonna use House Lannister shade as the transition color. Oh wow, it has so much fallout. but it's okay. Okay, next I'm gonna use the Nimeria color on my lid. It's pigmented. Even though it has so much fallout, it's really pigmented. Okay, and then the next one, I'm gonna use white Walker color. So today I'm in the mood of blue color, so I will use the blue shades color. I'm not using any eyeshadow primer right now because I want to see the pigmentation of this palette. If pigmentation is good, we don't need any primer. But I think the glitter color, like white Walker color here, it's less pigmented than the matte color. It's kind of hard to wear it on my face. Okay, so as the definition color, I will use the frozen note. Okay, let's put it here. Frozen note. The frozen note shade is more pigmented than the white Walker shade, but it's kind of hard to blend the colors. Okay. Okay. So next I'm gonna use Winterfell shimmer color on my lid to give more definition. Oh my god, it's so patchy. It's so hard. I think we need to use a primer first because it's so hard. but the color is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my god, I like the color. And too many fall out. Okay. Let's give a little definition. We take the black shade, just tap a little bit and put it in the outer corner. Let's give a definition. Okay. Wow, can you see it? The fallout is no joke. Okay, let's blend this out first. And for the underline, I will use the free fall color. It's a silvery bluish color. This one is so pigmented and then easy to blend. I like this shade. Also put it on the inner curve, in the inner corner. I need to brush off this fallout. And I'm gonna use the Nimeria color to underline my center of the underline. It looks weird. It's okay. Yep. Okay. And for the under of my eyebrow, I will use the shade of King's Landing. Okay, I'm done with the eyeshadow, and next I'm gonna use eyeliner and then mascara, and I will back to you. So this is my final look.
You can wear this winter look to any formal event when you wear a black dress, white dress, blue dress, or even gray dress.
So my final thoughts for this eyeshadow palette is I think this eyeshadow palette will be worth it if you want to have a palette to be used for many occasions, because this palette has a very broad range of shade, from the wearable one like these ones and to the colorful one like bend the knee, the side, and also the frozen north. So if you want to make many looks from just one palette, you can have this palette for sure. But the minus points of this palette are, I think it's quite patchy, so it's kind of hard to blend the colors, especially for glitter colors. And also it has many fallout for some colors. However, this palette is so pigmented, so if you want to have this palette, you can have it from Sephora online. I bought it for 950,000 rupees. And that's all my review for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.